Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for us today. You feel call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Now I did knock unatori for that side for entrance for food market for Bamenda. See people just come for broke Batu Credit Union. Move close for all people they be there for inside the credit union. Now I did not gonna tori all them be fall unconscious, they don't carry them rush go to that side for water. Peter will not really take side talk about how much money they take side carry and go and wait to really transpire for that side. But hope so any callings anyway either for that side of Bamenda, he could surely bring with a story them for talk about this trouble they go on for inside the country. They will come for that side too, will take side to Chakara on a tori for bad road them for that side for Bunabedi. Campaign the camp. From Bunabedi, we go carry una go down for Bafia. Bad roads. Cocoa time. Na enjoyment time for that side. January, February, and all you them for Bafia, they start run Bafia. October, November, December, they start to come back. From there, we'll take una go down for Swisway, Cameroonians, even though majority been at Cameroon, they hold some BB concert. After they come on do match party with our African brother for that side. For this palaver for Libya, where they take such a warrior country, where they sell people for that side, like say they been an animal there for that side. So we'll take una to go for that side, we'll take side, know how the Nongame happen for that side for Swiss. They will come back for inside the country, we'll take una go down for Banjun, talk about palaver. Some chief man where he takes side solo, he best for that side, he walk only for the chief Okada. From that side too, we go for take una to what I talk about ask them for that side for Bunabedi for Okada people, even though they say that new road with Rumbin and when any new thing come, Okada people never ever go driving school, so they met up jamming, kissing by kissing for that side, even though the road and two they receive demand for any kind of style for that side. So today, but tomorrow we'll show you the can up with image for that side for LeBLM with chapter for school, the way they take side, receive, goes down, fight for that side. You feel call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we will enter for that story proper. Bamenda this afternoon, so compared they take side, so say they so 3 banks them in less than 2 weeks where they take side, they broke up, even though so other one they will never take side, enter for that side way. People for Bamenda don't take side, so they confused now with it. So boys they come now for daytime, like Batu Credit Union for that side for Bamenda this morning time, they don't take side do it. Broke can enter, even though they not broke and for night, they can for daytime prayer, they walk move God and so surrender prayer. Then they take side to who not really talk to a day for that side. But any callings, any take side for that side of Bamenda way. We should ask me to tell we where did they go on for that side for Bamenda and how they don't do for take the prayer and go to Wasan Peter. Whether it is so they don't get it. Good afternoon, Annie Collins.
Yeah, good afternoon, Michael.
Yeah, just tell me where did it go on for Bamenda this morning time with this so people and business people now they don't fear for palava money where they broke bank them.
Yeah, yes, I say Bamenda don't start now for this palava. The general say for data which people don't decide to be having sometimes night of something. So this today also where they were literally after place of market with people they enter with before 12 o'clock. But that's the result in one shine. So with the thousands of people that they for market, that's the people that don't I said that really surrender all back to one and then carry money go. No one see that I'm also taking because I don't know. They got the finance people there, the people that is concerned, they monitor their other people. So the city inside the office, they check whether they check the book, they will see whether how much money spent and how much way like you go the next time. That's also for market for Bamenda, especially for the credit in a way before the next day. So I'm not convinced that
is Annie calling for take side, make and who understand where they go on for us. Even though the sound quality only takes side, for we'll surely come back for newscast for 4 o'clock for take side, bring on all the updates as how imagine to the situation will come for that side from Bamenda for this palava broken bank the way they come now for daytime now broke bank when at the second bank they come naked people then before they take side to carry money disappear with them for inside broad daylight for that side for Bamenda. Me will take side this time around, come on for that side for Bamenda, will take side this time around, bring una for back for littoral for Douala Yebe, will take una go for inside Douala for municipality for talk about bad roads. See what are they? People that tell us, well, Monsieur le Maire, we don't come give you promises and say no move. What we na put una for chair, we na go take side arrange ultimate they fine. But quarters them for inside Bunaberi, they put pave and fix on side and let us say time when mayor a Monday or play with mayor housing and that side they go take side or second agent for mayor or third agent and they take side they don't make the family group. But other quarters for Bunaberi put they didn't cry. Caterpillar nothing na Caterpillar no they on a how. Gota no day for Palava Road population is here so anyhow they go up. Can down, election they come. Say that the word when I get. When I can't get a promise to tell them, say no, we will not vote S, we will not vote na C, we will not vote C, we will not vote na D, and we will make sure the one make the one. See how much they suffer. So for inside economic town, so come for take about where business person. So when you day for them at all, when you pay bike, you get for go down on top bike, work out food cross for second you refuse to so me bike no make you do similology. Because if you do similology very easily, see them. If not be rain, if not be water, it go be na dust. So I will say, well, again, and tax collector, they only for put that door, pay tax, and pull liberatoire, pay the one. We come up for that side for Bunaberi control now, going to this time around. So Rolando, carry we go to another bad road. Na Bafia. Bafia Munyenge, because for come out, Moyoka, can go for a category for Bafia, so they don't allow fix and small. Now they come and say that good wrong because council, Mr. Mayor for that side don't try sending Caterpillar, they don't take side carrying ground go take side from it. Don't like if we get the image for that side for inside Bafia town. See that? If not be dust, na rain. If not be mud, na dust. Road na stone by stone by stone by stone by stone. Naftali. Now some papa for 4 people for that side, he don't decide to so Bafia Road, he go fisher. Naturally, now the worker, I say he no get work for work. Then for that side for Bafia, he own all for became work and dig ground them, carry flop this stone in there. The small one and you see one motorcycle see like this one so he carry 3 people on that stone there. Only Bafia, Moyoka, now 1-5. And they back people until they see complaints, so better than follow them. Say control them for road, you pay control 500, pay gendarme 500, police 500, then pay again council 250 before you carry. See Natalie, he don't put the on then they say any man come, he drop even on 100 or na 50. The one where they come from that side, they caution and caution. The one where they come, he say Papa go ahead. See, the boy so he there 1, 2, 3, with woman with the picking all the don't come for road. They define small ground, can't flop road so fix them, then take set so became back say even now 100 when I get it, even though they want jigsaw ground sometimes on side them, they try to say no, when I come on go and some people even cost. But any idea, may we ask next time, make it tell we what really happened. Or what you encourage you before you became one can dig ground them, begin can take side so they flop the road so ye and a woman with the picking they can't take side for money their own small garden. And now they 100 with 25 they put up for them, that's not offering money. Where the kind of money some person there, no one see the kind of money for the offering basket. Natalie, tell me, what to encourage you or push you for semi-struggle for fixed road for Bafia?
My mission, I say, I want to remember my papa, my pikin, the way me are born. May they not poor people because of the bad road to get them. I get a poor mother, me myself, I come up for a poor background, but I know because myself I be poor. Because I get my live every blessed day. My target for this bad road, I say, I want to show example, I be overversed because Caterpillar become pastor here. This year, so they suffer for this road for this side. May the government to intervene, may they look at so they suffer because of bad roads. The difficulties are the face, and I say, like for my woman, some people that the pass, that the insult my woman, they call she, my me, Bombo, and so on. Well, I know the first man say me, but if man come people that they insult me, they say me, I not track touch the corner road them. I not get no right for dig the corner road them. So now the only thing that want discourage me for work the road. I need Monday hammer. At least for crack some of the stone them.
Yeah.
I tell Mr. Mayor for say I overglad plans for say if he provide me materials by the grace of God, I know say the village no go suffer. I me myself I no go suffer about the road issue.
Thank you. Now only God go bless you. Anything we swam or anything we plant am, now you go grow. You water and finally will grow. Mo ask one motorcycle rider make it tell me. How did he do cope? Master Evis, with this kind of bad road? Talk more here.
Because machine they not settlement for road and machine for road.
So what when you carry 3 person, how much they pay you?
They still pay normal 115.
115.
Yeah.
So you carry 4-5.
Yeah.
When you take that 4-5, so you spend like how much for road before one reach?
We spend 1,250 for 1 day.
For 1 day. This is the work money here.
The work, but the route they take them. If you calculate that 1,250 every day times 1 month, it's enough. So the money that will come and they take them.
They take the give on a receipt.
No, there is no.
They tell us that 1,250 na for you.
We get 1,000 gendarme and police, 250 for council.
Now so the thing takes time to happen for that side for Bafia where they don't need again for go pay insurance or pay anything they call and say cancel for you because all thing for that side it pass na palava choco so for come on go Bafia Moyoka Munyenge 2,000 go Bova Moyoka Bova 3,000 and on the Okada the motor they be run that road master it not be easy because now on the 4-wheel drive they carry people for that side for take some money so we'll show the come back for bring on a Roland. Just remember Bafia. Show this time for Bafia. January, February, all Bafia pikin they start run town. October, November, December. You see any man say, "Mami, I dey come village oh." Why? Because na cocoa period. Because the time na time when only time for drinking mimbo, born struggle for dry cocoa, cut cocoa for farm because that time money dey. This time na time when money dey for us for Bafia way dey so this was the time when they don't go harvest the cocoa come struggle man we eat one quick money it just bring am one time put am for oven dry am for that side then they take certain money for get their own small chop money for that side wey time when they dry cocoa all thing na mimbo man say no get money oh e must go borrow me for bad tell man say no worry cocoa dey on fire cocoa time with the orange time. Now to the time when you use them for Bafia for that side, they didn't lag work. Any man who say go up can not even lag for Dingbo. Say they lag already back by back. And Bafia don't decide and say, in those days, buy them say and they come say, I buy you the orange tree for 20,000, 15,000. You pay, you give money, they give you the whole orange tree. Now you say they climb, cut their orange as you want. Now they say they cut up, carry and go to Odwara, come begin say one bag. They say no one at your buy and say they can't food them again. Say now so that I don't open. See am? They load the inside back, say, no, I don't begin to know carry them, but we buy some because they carry all thing. One time they take sign and so load them, bring an account struggle for option and so see, they struggle for work other one. Then the one they for serve for cocoa, then two they hustle, any man then a hustle away the good. Even first to them for that side, they take side for do way. So that when man they can't borrow money, oh, she give me money, time I go sell, time I bring cocoa, I can't send that for you. Time one kind of say the oil money, one time it change road. It go supply now with different man, take money, you start work at home for a back city. All thing na mulu. And now so they don't even see Brazzaville member for that side because you know be there at all. They don't block away, maybe they enter again for that side for Bafia, Moyoka, all that one is on the take side, see how they continue for Kamba country, they come for that side, but who side road day? Road no day. But cancel the wedding about before. Say when I come, when I pay money, any man you can't pass, give money, can't pass, you give your own money for that side. So Rolando, move come for that side for Bafia, continue the knack to come back for this side for move take una go for Central Region for talk about UMS the loom with the new stadium. Small time they go enter credit oh, even though they will say even they enter credit. If I not take first, I will take second. Small you must enter. Since when they went Papa Popo because this Sunday all man be no say to go play Cameroon Cup. You know, a new star where the loom no, now they not prepare. New star say they don't unpack their bag, they come back for Douala. Why? Money no day again for pay hotel, Money no dey again for the paycheck because they dey spend about 1,200,000 francs for hotel and feeding with all that one and so for that side for Yaoundé for Texas talk say so. They the only way now for first footballer for this country wey na Papa Popol. Make it talk day where they go play that drama. Eh? Whether they hold and Lungame or how, but all man not take time, even supporters the way they become because plenty people they even travel for Saturday night, so when they travel for Sunday morning, so that means they reach Yaoundé early for Saturday, so they go take sense of a witness how this Cameroon Cup go take sense so they will happen for that side for Yaoundé, even though they say this so whether this Sunday or the other Sunday where they come, no man will take sense to talk about it. So anyhow where the Tori can take sense come out, we will surely come back for make Unamuna know how the thing will happen for inside this one. We come up for that side, take una go and this time around for that side for Swiss for talk about Africans mix even though na plenty Cameroonians they take side so work for inside street for that side for Swiss for take side talk so they said no to selling of human beings, no to think where people for Libya they do them for their brother and for that side they take them not turn them being and they slave them for that side where they do them after the match pass where they match for that side for Swiss then the whole big concert where they invite our own Cameroonian brother for this side so local where you go take side so sing money any man they can pass drop his own small chew drop his own small chew they say this money where they struggle gather for that side for Swiss so no be na for say this so me they get for local or me na say me they organize and they take and they go buy their new motor buy their house and they this money that for take and send for that side for north, not for send for north, for send for that side for Libya, for their brother they don't remember for that side, they don't get transport for come back for country, me they pay their flight them, struggle say me they come back and for tell now that the yesterday so for go for bush, oh boy, na jungle. Say white man even suffer pass you. You get a cocoa, you get a banana, you get a camera, can't you there for farm. White man in the first see other one them. So for work for that side for white man country succeed no in Nigeria, either you go there into illegal business and when they catch you, direct that in prison, or you will begin work, you don't feel sleep for better house, you don't feel stay for house, you don't feel chop fine chop, you there for sleep for under tree, then begin work at high, they run police, so all that one situation. So more will not begin encourage with brand away they take sense any man one for with anyone for with because they so think they don't take sense. So change as not take una two koro I see I'm so con people. We come up for that side for Swiss, so come back for littoral Douala. Before Douala, will take una go for Douala 4 minutes per. Council for that side for talk about the new roadway you see the under construction. Day in, day out, accident. Okada they met up, jamming left and right. People that they bro food. So even Palava Bashiman now they say traffic for Bunabe, the end man say no, I go on now. See the papa with that small money. Okada man no can give them for down. And I took Okada men they met up. They don't meet up for that time for corner Boulanger de Laga. One time, now any man can wear on Asha. Where this new road where they don't be there for that side, plenty Okada people decided they carry Okada for shift to corner road. They don't even know highway code, they don't even know how the thing it takes to work. Any man just takes side, run for that side for Bunabede like a liquid so for toxic. So when you take Okada man, he want run like a liquid take you go small. Even to other side said Roland bring the other accident to it takes that to happen for that side so for inside Bunabede for that the beginning of a corner a moment and with so they don't block roads. Carry for turn na can turn around enter put in the travel for go but when they take Okada they carry enough for that any know how for take some bright they reject enough for carry and go another go for that side he jam some bench came off for that side yibam for down they only the struggle for carry and for that for carry and go to for hospital for talk take that talk say so you take any Okada man tell you say work as small or better you go down work of food don't you know you mo go limp for here or you mo use and cross road big now it don't turn be another trouble even though they say when development they come it didn't say make some man it didn't say vex as you see how that Okada man is sleep for down for that side so country people. We continue the knack story for that side so take una go down for this side for Bafusam for take side talk about Father Simo. He don't solo a birth certificate. He might be handing a birth certificate for since 1937. He solo and yesterday. Now in that. Father Simo, you know that man so if you hear that way they sing, oh boy, something come up for your hand. So until you come out for your hands so control for take it, you can find boss with so quiet for that side. All man it takes to cry for that Simo. Say well for that Simo. May your soul rest in perfect peace for that side. Even though he don't the sick, he fall sick just of recent about 4 days where they carry either for sick bed for 4 days. Now we Allah so just solo a better for that side. They didn't also the struggle see how they go make program for a burial for that side for Babus and for take side talk about this much more trouble that happen for inside Palava sick. Even so I will say, hey man of God to the sick. Eh? In our Pentecostal church, you have to know, man of God get challenges. He get challenges. They don't ever talk say man of God is sick. Because they say, how man of God where he heal people? He too, he fall sick. They say, no, man of God gets small challenges. He gets small challenges. You know, if you see, time man of God is sick, then he see, Papa is not around. Papa there for mountain, where Papa there sometimes he takes small paracetamol, he never quit. They will say, no, Papa, they take for mountain or all the one. Anyway, we'll try to come up for bringing out the Father Simon, his own program for die for that size of Father Simon Gabriel, so we he don't take side solo, his own best certificate. We continue now to take side this and go down for that side for Kumbu, we now so contribute. As school need to go on for Kumbu, when die then they. When country do they come up for can do their own small class, how do you want to dance so? Roland. Make a more year than that, and more people enjoy that small country down, no?
Banho. Banho.
Pikin they need to go school. They don't decide now for the promote their culture. They say the other one they dance, they give them small children too, they go come on well. And they don't enter the culture no. They want to go be in a future Mabu, one Mabu, Wunjang, the first side control. Show the take side for come back for bringing all this Palava culture for talk about this. So the father Seka, Pa Seka Michael for that side for the Jackie, where he takes side to solo a birth certificate for this side for Mutengene, you know, say Beria program, you know, they come over again for movie for number 7 day for December. Next week, they Ashwabi don't come over, they take side for prepare to go move for Moyoka for number 7 day, then take it out, go down for this side, they call and say for Bafia, for a compound for that side for Bafia, from Bafia, they will take sign out to go to that very Thursday night for Jackie for Noy, then they go bury and for Friday morning time with Mass 2, it go take some happen for that side. But any idea, there's so bit you don't come on my way, one support, I might want travel, any idea, we'll show you the method for that side for number 7 day for December. So for take time, support this die, make it work for better way. Do one them that died, they cry, and do one they say that celebration for any man we come for that side for can't blessings away. Why me too? And if it's still like Pastor can make it so, That's what the thing will take side so happen for inside this country, so country man. That thing number is here under your screen. When something happen for your village, for your quarter, send them for that thing number. Call we, inform we, so that if we rush come for that side like liquid leak. If not, I will come back again sorting for tomorrow with all the story and will take such support for saying me happen for better way. Call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Tomorrow, na another day.